Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to disable those pesky people you may know notifications on Facebook using your PC. Facebook's latest update has made some changes, but don't worry, I've got you covered with the most up-to-date method. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Settings and Privacy and hover over it. Another menu will pop out. Click on Settings from this list. Now, you're in the main settings area. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. You're almost there. In the Notifications settings, scroll down until you spot People You May Know. Click on this option to expand it. Here's the final step. Look for the toggle switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply click this switch to turn it off. And just like that, you've successfully disabled those annoying People You May Know notifications. Remember, while this won't stop Facebook from suggesting new connections altogether, it will prevent you from receiving notifications about these suggestions. This way, you can browse Facebook without constant interruptions about potential new friends. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.